Hey ladies, ever stood in front of your overflowing closet and thought, I have nothing to wear? Yep, me too. But don't worry, I've got a fix for that. First, let's talk about the Purge. Yeah, I know it sounds scary, but it's a game changer. Take everything out of your closet and lay it on your bed. Now be ruthless. If you haven't worn it in a year, it's gotta go. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Next up, let's organize by category. Put all your tops together, then your bottoms, dresses, and so on. This will make it easier to see what you actually have. And hey, while you're at it, color code everything. It might sound extra, but it really helps. Alright, now it's time to create some go-to outfits. Grab your favorite pieces and mix and match them to create a few looks you love. Take photos of these outfits and save them on your phone. Next time you're in a rush, just scroll through your album and pick one. Easy peasy, don't forget about accessories. Sometimes all an outfit needs is a little bling or a cute scarf to take it from May to wow. So keep your accessories visible and organized too. Lastly, let's talk about shopping smart. Instead of buying on impulse, make a list of what you need to complete your wardrobe. Stick to that list when you shop and you'll save money and closet space. Alright, that's it for today. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And remember, you've totally got this. Now go rock that wardrobe. Later, ladies.